Hello again, Yugi and YouTubers. Yeah, I'm doing another unboxing. This time, the Hero Champion Exceeds. It's gonna open the box. It's sort of big. You gotta have it somewhat farther away for you to see the whole thing, but it's angled downward, so I'm gonna get it in the right location. And it's there. Yeah, it's a little harder to open than other tins I've opened before. So, but I'm making headway here. So, please don't tell me. And it is. It's double wrapped. Hey, it's already ripped right here, so. Yep, no, it's not Exceeds, it's Excalibur. Okay, Heroic Challenger Excalibur. Yes, Heroic Challenger. Okay, open. There goes this part done. I guess somewhat of a promo pack. So, open that. Just so you know, I'm actually standing, so I can't really get into this as much as I want to. There's Heroic Challenger Excalibur, Blizzard Princess. All these are hollows for the most part. Wind Up Rabbit, Ibalzar Lagia, and Wound Up Zenmites. Yeah, okay, that was the promo pack, and wow, quite a few of these. Let's see. Let's start with Galactic Overlord. Let's see if I can make a photon deck out of this. Yeah, too close to the. Yeah, there we go. Mini Guts, Heretic Dragon of Nepthet, Berserk Scales, Aqua Mirror Circle, Hammer Shark, Evulsor Darwing, that we know, Injector Ladybug, Swallowtail Butterspeed, and Injector Gauntlet. Alright. I guess we only have 2 Galactic Overlords and 3 Photon Shockwaves. So I'm going to start a Photon Shockwave now. Boom. Okay. Wind Up Warrior, Zenmarch, Prior Ice Barrier, Cross Attack. Ooh, this is a good one. Megatokage, Plasma Ball, Laval Dual Slasher, nice. Poisonous Winds, Icy Crevice. Well, that was fairly nice. So, I guess we'll just do another Photon Shockwave, then do the last Galactic Overlord. Things. Never mind. Here we go. Let's see. Back started to hurt. Gotta sit down. Who would have thought it was not easy? Okay, it's Needle Sunfish, Fish Rain. Wow, I see it already. Fish. Space Cyclone. Damage Diet. Deep Dark Trap Hole. Wow. You have to really want to get rid of somebody to use that. Wind Up Kitten. Photon Lead. Wind Up Bat. Yeah, I see the pattern here. Wind Up. Evo Miracle. Just sideways, but I'm sure you can read. Can't you? Alright then. Now for another Galactic Overlord. Oh, open up automatically. Return. Lady of D. Never thought I'd see that card in my lifetime. Doom Donuts. Never thought I'd eat that card in my lifetime. Blade Bouncer. Light Ray Carefree. Injector Ladybug. Swallowtail Butterspeed. Injector Gauntlet. Another one. Constellar Belt. Yeah. Just so you know, this is like my fourth time unboxing something. So, please take it easy on the comments. So, ooh, this one opened automatically too. Okay. Okay, Sound the Retreat. Next. Okay, Wind Up Warrior, Fish Rain, Pinocchio, Baby Dragon. Oh, I just like that card. It's just cute. Don't you think? See how cute it is. Ah, so cute. Icy Crevice, Acorno, Triweight, and Plasma Ball. So cute. Alright then, and I guess that's it for the unboxing. Unless there's anything else. Nope, that's it. Alright then, I'm the guy and I'm out.